Hi, my name is Tarina Gillette and I'm a professional events coordinator, and today we're going to talk about how to make an old person out of a pumpkin. These are the supplies that we're going to need for our project today. We of course need a pumpkin. We need chenille stems, sometimes they're called pipe cleaners, in any color that you would like. We need some raffia. We need craft glue or a hot glue gun on low temp, a permanent marker, and optional is acrylic craft paint and a brush to apply the craft paint. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to draw our old person face onto our pumpkin. I'm just going to use a permanent marker, and I'm going to start with his nose, and I'm going to draw just a cute round nose. And then we're going to start with his eyes next, and I'm just going to make circles and put cartoony types of pupils inside and long eyelids over that. And then I'm going to do some wrinkles underneath his eyes and make some bushy eyebrows. And it's okay if your glasses cover the eyebrows a little bit. And then we're going to add just some wavy lines at the top of the pumpkin for his wrinkles on his forehead. And then the next step after this is we're going to take our raffia and we're going to tie in the center part of the raffia, and the length is up to you, whatever length that you decide that you would like to have for the beard on your pumpkin. We're going to tie it in the center, and then we're going to also tie once more a little further down to make like a loop there. And then we're going to take our hot glue, but you can use your craft glue, any type of glue that you like for your projects. I like to use a low temp glue gun. And we're just going to glue our raffia beard onto our old person. Then our final step is we're going to take our chenille stems and we're going to make glasses in any shape that you want is fine. And we're going to apply our glasses with a hot glue gun or the glue of your choice. Start around the eyes. And it's okay if it isn't exact. It doesn't have to match the glasses exactly, just enough to kind of hold the glasses in place until you get them onto your pumpkin. And then we're going to, you can leave either the sides of the glasses off if you want them just hanging out, or I'm going to glue mine down. And the next step is optional if you want to outline with your acrylic craft paint over your markers. I kind of like the way this one turned out without that, but you can just use your brush and go over the lines that you've already drawn to kind of add some definition onto your old person. And that's how you make an old person out of a pumpkin.